That time we went to Desiree's.
No. Adventure.
Oh, never.
It's not a So, this is different because I moved, which is why I haven't really filmed in a hot minute. I am doing a lot more reviews, I decided. I don't know what my setup's gonna be. I thought my little desk in the background would be cute, but I don't know if I'm feeling it. So anyway, today I'm doing another cosplay costume review. This cosplay, which is a Marty Mcfly cosplay. I just don't have it on all the way yet because I'm gonna like build it up so you can see all the different parts that it came with. Anyway, I got this cosplay from fun.com, which I'm sure many of you have heard of before. They usually always blow up around Christmas time with their like Christmas sweaters and stuff. That's when I first started noticing them. And I always assumed they were kind of just like a Halloween costume shop, but they also have really cool like jackets and stuff. Like hold on, I'll show you. Like this jacket, this DC jacket is also from fun.com. But it's too big. So yeah, they offer a variety of stuff, and they do have like a cosplay costume section. So I figured I would get one and test it out and see if it's a decent place to get cosplays. I've gotten suits primarily in the past. I haven't really dived into like the full-on costume shops, I guess. Please ignore this wig, it looks insane. Anyway, let's get this rolling. I'm gonna show you everything that this came with. So, it's a Marty Mcfly cosplay, and I decided to get it because it was only like 20 bucks, and the whole cast of Back to the Future was coming to, or was at MegaCon 2019. And you guys will have seen by now, I did a interview with Leah Thompson, which was awesome. I really wanted to interview her like in a Lorraine McFly cosplay, but I just didn't have one, and I didn't have time to make one. Or I would have liked to interview Michael J. Fox in my genderbend Marty Mcfly, which would be Martha McFly. I think that's what I decided on. But I never heard back from his manager, so it's fine. So it was only 20 bucks, so I decided to get it and test it out for you guys. So let's start with the shipping. So I ordered this on Wednesday, March 13th. I ordered it in an extra small, which is not the size I would normally wear. It would be a small or a medium, but I decided to gamble with it because an extra small was a whole like $3 cheaper. So I got the extra small. It said that, and it was $19.99, like the base price. It said shipping would take 5 to 8 business days, and the shipping for that was $4.99. I had a coupon of some sort for $3 off. I do not remember what it was for, but I'm sure you can find coupons all the time. Anyway, so the total was $21.98, which I thought was like pretty good. Ordered it Wednesday, March 13th, got a shipping confirmation Sunday, March 17th, and then I finally received it Monday, March 25th. So overall, 8 days. Okay, so yeah, it was 8 business days total, so like the longer end of the spectrum. I don't know where they ship it from, but I'm in Florida, so I don't know if that was a reason. So it took a little bit longer to ship. I saved the packaging during my move specifically so that I can make this video, and I cannot find it. But really all it was your standard costume packaging with like the clear thing, you know what I mean? Like when you go Halloween costume shopping, it was in like one of those clear bags with a picture on the front, which this was the picture. Yeah, so it was specifically for genderbend Marty Mcfly. And it was the cheapest that I found online at the time. And I think they do have one for guys as well. Anyway, like if you guys have watched my other reviews before, you know, I don't really care about packaging because you're just gonna throw it away. So, you know, who cares? But yeah, let's move on to the actual cosplay, shall we? So it came with this red shirt, which in the film, his shirt is like a maroon regular like t-shirt. So I don't know why it comes with a red one. I'm like 90% sure it's maroon. Let's throw in a picture of Marty McFly. I did wear this to MegaCon 2019 and I met Michael J. Fox in it. It didn't look the greatest on me. Like I had a different wig, but I don't know what it is with me and wigs lately, but they just look crazy. So anyway, but yeah, so I met Michael J. Fox. That was kind of cool. I'm not really big on meeting celebrities in that fashion, but it was cool. So it came with this red shirt, which I subbed out for a maroon tank top because that's more movie accurate. What I don't like about this is that this shirt feels very costumey. So it's not like a shirt that you can also wear like every day. Like I guess you could, but I wouldn't, just because I feel like if the light hits it the right way, you can, or if you look at it close enough, you can definitely tell that it's a costume shirt. Also, it has these seam lines like right here. You see? Ooh, my stomach just growled. Not a fan of the shirt. Probably gonna end up throwing it out. And then the second bit it came with was his checkered shirt, which it has a Universal logo and the Back to the Future logo inside, which makes me think that I don't know, that Universal must have, I don't know. Anyway, so like as I said, I got an extra small, which I knew I was risking. So this isn't gonna fit properly, so don't judge it based on this, but I normally wear usually like a small. So I'm filming with my phone. I don't know where to look, so sorry. My eyes are going everywhere. So it's like I can't really button it up. Oh my gosh. Which is fine because I kind of planned on wearing it open anyway. But yeah, so it's really tight. So I think normally I would have had to have done a small or a medium because the extra small is way too small. I can't breathe. I'm getting claustrophobic. The material is also very thin. It doesn't really look like it. Like you can't see through it or anything. Also the seam lines again are like right here. The thing is like, you know that fun.com didn't actually make this cosplay. It's just a costume that they probably outsourced somewhere else. Like probably somewhere like Halloween costumes, honestly. Actually, I think they do work with them. I think it's on their website. But overall, like it is movie accurate. Like he has this checkered shirt. I wore it, pretty sure I wore it open. And then he wears suspenders in the movie, so oh, I think he has it tucked in. This is the 80s. Is that an 80s thing? So I bought these suspenders forever ago. Probably from like Party City or Hot Topic. But yeah, so the next bit is his jean jacket, which isn't really a jean jacket. It is a thinner jacket thing. So you can definitely tell it's not like the one he wears in the movie. It's very much a like shirt jacket looking thing, but the details are accurate. The main part, one of the main things that sold me on getting this as opposed to thrifting it, which I'll get to in a minute, is because of this detail right here, which is just like a paisley little detail, but I didn't feel like sewing that onto a jean jacket, and also wearing a jean jacket plus this little life jacket thing and all these layers in Florida's summer heat. No thank you. So this is great substitution. The only thing is like he wears his rolled up, and so you can button these, right? If you aren't an imbecile. And then I assume what you're supposed to be able to do is roll it down and then like bring it up your to your elbow because he wears his at his elbow. I can't do that, probably because I got it way too small. But even if I got it as a small, like this is so tight, I don't think that even a small would have allowed me to do it, to wear it the right way. So I would say go for your normal size, but probably like one size more, higher, extra. So what I ended up having to do was, I'm realizing how tight this shirt is. It's like, that's my own fault. I wouldn't recommend getting the smaller size for $3 cheaper. I ended up just like wearing it like this, I think, and like tucking it under so that it would stay, so where you could see like the paisley things. Actually, you might, I think what you're supposed to be able to do is button them like this, because the buttons are on the inside. So if I had it the right way, I should just be able to go like and button it, but I definitely can't do that with this size that I have. But that's what it's supposed to look like. And if you look at like his thing from like his jacket from the movie, it is definitely like a legitimate jean jacket, and this one doesn't look like a jean jacket. It just looks like a blue shirt with these details. So this part is probably my least favorite part of the cosplay, just because it's so different. But the details is what sold me. Anyway, and then the final part it came with was the jacket. Which, again, kind of costumey. I think it's a little bit brighter than from like what he wears in the movie. Like it's a very, very bright red. And it kind of matches the shirt, but it's got that shine to it, so. So this is the whole cosplay. This is what it looks like if I were to wear it like a normal human being. Again, I wouldn't button it. I think he does in the movie, but I can't. But overall, like I actually love the way it looks with just the shirt. It's a cute outfit. It didn't come with the shorts, which you can obviously wear shorts or jeans, and it didn't come with the suspenders, which I think sell the whole thing. So this is the whole thing. Oh, one thing I did love about this is the pockets are huge. I tried. And then these pockets, there's two of these, also humongous. What? I was so excited. Like I didn't have to carry anything in my hands. Like I had literally my phone, I had business cards, I had tickets and stuff, money, my phone, did I say that? Everything in these pockets, which is incredible. When I was talking to people about buying this cosplay from fun.com, I had a couple people who were like, why don't you just thrift it? And here's my thing. This was only $20. And where am I gonna find this? You know, what are the odds that my local Goodwill is gonna have this and this and this and this? You know what I mean? Like, do I wanna spend the time and like $10 to find all of this, or do I want to comfortably order from my own home and know what I'm getting? The price, like I said, was not even $22. It probably would have been $25 if I got the right size, which is still a pretty good deal considering all you need are shorts or jeans, which you probably already have. You would have to buy suspenders, which are like less than $5 usually. But yeah, overall, I really like it. I'm trying to find a more unique way to wear this instead of just like a gender bent. Like it's very much a casual cosplay, but I don't know, like I like when things are different, which I get that a gender bent Marty Mcfly is already a different concept, but I don't know. I want to incorporate like special effects makeup or have a cool prop or something. I don't know. What do you guys think I could do to like spruce this up a little bit? Because it's like, obviously you know who I am. This is a very classic designated look. My advice if you want to do a Marty Mcfly cosplay is to just buy them off of a costume cosplay costume website like fun.com. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I think it's a hell of a lot easier than trying to go from thrift store to like try to find all these very unique and out of date pieces. So for the price, it was definitely worth it. I wouldn't pay anything over 30 bucks for this. But yeah, I would definitely order from fun.com again. Like, this is very cheap. The shipping took a little bit of time, so I would order at least a month in advance, which I ordered like 2 months in advance. And it was like 20 bucks, you know, and you have this cosplay and just, you know, I would definitely recommend ordering it online as opposed to like through a thrift shop. But yeah, so this is my Marty Mcfly cosplay. It's, despite it being like a size or two too small, it's actually pretty comfortable. Even with this part being like a little tight, I was comfortable like all day. I got to meet Michael J. Fox, and I really wish I would have at least interviewed Leah Thompson in my Michael J. Fox cosplay, Marty McFly cosplay. But it was a very like, it wasn't a for sure thing that was happening. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions about fun.com or about this cosplay in particular. I'm not a giant fan of this wig anymore. Yeah, so overall quality of this cosplay is that it is costumey, but I don't think you can really tell from far away. Like, you know what it is. It's easy, it's simple. Favorite part is the jacket. Least favorite part are these sleeves. I am going to also have a link to a more not rambly kind of review on my website Cosplay and Coffee, so you can leave questions there or on my video. I'll also have a link to this specific cosplay for guys and girls in case you want to get it. But yeah, that's it. Cheers guys, and I will see you next time.